Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing Xcode and the command line tools so the compiler and SDK are available. Once done, open Xcode and create a new Mac OS command line tool project. Choose C++ as the language and name your target. Make sure to set the C++ standard to C++17 in the project settings immediately. This ensures modern headers and features compile. You do this now so later steps assume the compiler, SDK, and a valid project are already configured and ready. Now you add your source files to the project and verify target membership so they compile with the chosen target. Once files are added, open build settings and set header search paths and other C++ flags. This lets you include third-party libs and enable warnings or optimization flags. Make sure the C++ language dialect matches C++17. You can also create or edit schemes to switch between debug and release, and enable sanitizers for catching memory or threading issues while you run tests. You build and run the program, watching the console and using breakpoints to step through code. This confirms runtime behavior. Once satisfied, use archive or export to create a distributable binary and set run scheme parameters for command line arguments and working directory if needed. If something goes wrong, check header search paths, target membership, and other C++ flags first, then clean the build folder and rebuild. This sequence resolves most issues quickly, so you can iterate and fix errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.